Back to your channel. Now, on previous tutorial we discussed a lot about Telegram airdrops. We discussed about this particular Telegram airdrop right here where we earned about 128 USDT basically from claiming free Telegram boots airdrop, as I stated here. Now, we have been talking a lot about different types of Telegram boot airdrops. I haven't showed you on how you can generate unlimited referrals on all these Telegram boots and earn lots of tokens for yourself. Now, in this tutorial of today, we are not going to be talking about free Telegram airdrop. I'm going to be showing you how you can mine cryptocurrency. We are going to be mining all types of cryptocurrency, from Bitcoin to BNB to Ethereum to Polygon to even Solana. And as you can see right here on the screenshot I posted on my channel just a day ago, I was able to mine about $420 using this particular method. Yes, the particular method we are using is the Mac app. Now, we're not going to be using the Mac miner, we're going to be using the Mac app. They recently listed a new app on their Telegram mini app and you can get into it. I'm going to show you how you are going to get into it, so please stay tuned to the end of this video, because right here also within this video I'm going to be showing you on how much I've earned on a new account I recently created today on this particular app. As you can see, yesterday I did about 419, approximately 420. I'm going to show you a new app also that I created and also try this same method, how much I've earned, and we're going to be making a withdrawal right here in this video. So let's get into that. So if you need to get into it, the first thing you need to do is to head over to your Chrome browser. Right now on my Chrome browser, the next thing I need to do is simply head over to this section and type in macminer.tech. Now it basically loads up the site. Now it tells us what MacMiner is about. It helps us mine cryptocurrency, all types of cryptocurrency, and we withdraw our earnings in either Mac tokens or BNB. Now to get into this is very easy. Simply search up the site macminer.tech as I did right here. And once you search it up, simply click on the start mining button. You can read up the details on how you can actually earn from this platform. As you can see, over 20,000 users are actually using this platform currently, and they are earning lots and withdrawing lots and lots for themselves. You can read up the details during your free time. If you want to get started instantly, simply hit the start mining button right here and it directs you into the next section so you can get started ASAP. Okay, so right now it just took us to the Mac mini app page. Now right now we're on our Telegram. It directed us to the Mac miner and we're now going to be using this miner to start mining. Now to get into it, simply hit the get started button, and once you hit this get started button, you should pop up the mini app right away. Now on this mini app, I'm going to show you on how much I've earned from this my new account. As you know, on the previous video I told you guys about this mini app, but we didn't earn from mining, we earned from completing taxes. However, we're not going to be talking about completing taxes. We're only going to be talking about mining. As you can see, I've been able to earn so much. I earned about 12 USDT on this fresh new account I created today. And also, as I said, towards the end of this video, I'm going to be making a withdrawal right here and right now. This is a new account. I earned about 12 USDT. I'm going to show you how I did this. Now basically, if you want to start mining, the first thing you need to do is simply come to this section right here on the home page and simply hit the mine crypto button. Now once you click the mine crypto button, it takes you to the mining app where you can now start mining. As you can see, as I said before, lots of users are using this. Over 20,000 users are using it, and lots of people are actually withdrawing for their Mac, and they recently listed this. Also about 86,000 have actually hired miners as well. Now currently looking at my dashboard, this is where my estimated daily earnings is, and this is a new account. I started mining today. If you view my history, you'll see that I was able to mine about $12 right here on this tutorial. And also every single day I'm going to be receiving 12 USDT, $12, which is approximately about 3,000 Mac. And I'm going to show you on how you can actually swap your Mac and cash it out via BNB towards the end of the video. Don't worry about that, but this is basically how you do it. Now what you simply need to do is to get started, simply hit the buy miner button. As you can see, any minor amount of miners that you can purchase, you're going to receive a 4% daily return. So just as I have received 12% for today, within the next 19 hours I'm going to receive another 12% reward. So every single day I'm going to be receiving 12 USDT. If I want to receive more than this, I basically need to hire more miners, get more miners. I started with about $200 worth of miner, and that gives me just 5% of it. Approximately 5% of it is what gives me about 12 USDT right here. So now for you guys to get started, simply head over to this section right here. You're on the mine crypto page. The next thing you need to do, hit the buy miner button and purchase miners. However, before we get into that, let me quickly withdraw some earnings. Right now you have seen how much I've actually earned here. Let's head back to the home page and then I will show you how you can actually withdraw from here. Now you head over to the wallet section right here, and once you click on the wallet section, simply hit the withdraw button. But before that, make sure you have actually set your wallet. As you can see, my wallet has been set. If your wallet has not been set, hit the connect wallet, set your wallet ASAP. Now we have done that, we are now going to hit the withdraw button right here. We're going to type the amount of BNBs we want to withdraw. But as you can see, we cannot withdraw BNBs because although we earned about 12 USDT today, all these USDTs are actually in MAC, so we need to swap our MAC right here to BNB. So to swap your MAC to BNB, simply hit the swap button, then you type in the MAC you want to swap. I want to swap out all my MAC, that is about okay, and click on confirm swap, and it has successfully swapped it for me. Very good. So now I can now withdraw about 0.13 BNB right here within this tutorial. So we're going to hit the withdraw button. We're going to type 0.013 BNB, which is almost all the BNBs in my wallet. Okay, so now we have typed in that, we're going to hit the submit withdrawal button, and my withdrawal is currently being processed. Now, as usual, you need to perform a little bit of verification. It tells us that we basically need to join the MAC channel and so on and so forth. So make sure you join this channel. Simply hit this join community and also to join the Telegram family channel, and once you join that channel, you can now proceed with your withdrawal ASAP. Okay, so right here we're going to hit the join button, and now I've successfully joined the channel. I can now go back right here and click on withdraw again, and it begins to process my withdrawal once more. Okay guys, as you can see, my withdrawal has been submitted successfully, although I'm yet to receive a notification. Okay, I just received a notification on Trustwallet right here. This is my withdrawal of about 0.013 BNB. Let's head over to Trust Wallet and see it fully. Then I'm now going to show you on how you can start mining for yourself. Right here, as you can see, I've been able to withdraw my mining profit that I mined on this fresh new account. That is about 12 USDT. We're going to head over to Trust Wallet. Let me show you the full transaction proof and every single thing you need to see. Then I'm going to show you on how you can get started yourself as a new user on this particular platform on the MAC miner and start mining. Right here is my Trust Wallet. Right here is the payment I received for mining for today, and also right here is the amount, the history. This is my earnings for today. Now, as you can see, the amount is a little bit small. However, it is because I started with only a little amount, and the miner only pays you 5% daily profit. So if you accumulate it over time, at least after 30 days, you are assured to earn a huge amount. Also, you can also start mining with a huge amount of crypto and also earn more, because your 5% will be actually bigger than the normal amount. Now let me show you on how you can get started yourself, on how you can actually purchase these miners, hire these miners, so that they can start mining for you passively while you just leave your phone idle. Let's get into that. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to show you on how I was able to mine and earn about 12 USD, although I just started today. Now this particular miner pays you, as it states right here, it pays you about 4.5% USDT profit every single day. So if you are to start mining from this particular platform, you need to hire miners, and these miners will mine for you 4.5% of any amount you start to use and mine. Also, if you hire more miners, your daily returns also increases as well. As you can see, I earn about 12 USDT for today. My daily return for now is 12 USDT, and this 12 USDT is the 4.5% of the total amount of miners I actually had. Actually, when I was starting this video, I actually hired about 200 USDT of miners when I started mining today. That is why my daily return is big. So for you guys right here, if you want to get started on this platform, make sure you hire a considerable amount of crypto and considerable amount of miners, so that you earn more, even probably more than me, earning up to 100 to 200 every single day. So right here for this tutorial now, just to run a sample for the buy method so you understand on how to hire crypto, we are going to buy miners. We are going to hire miners with the profit we just withdrew. We withdrew about 0.13 BNB, what about 12 to 11 USDT. So now we are going to type in the amount of miners we want to hire. You can hire up to $1,000 to even $10,000 worth of miners, and it will mine for you 5% of it every single day, and you can also cash out every single day. However, for this tutorial, we'll be mining with the profit we made, that is about 11 to 12 USDT. And now to proceed, simply hit the hire miner button. And once you hit the hire miner button, now you need to select the payment method you want to use and make the payment. Obviously, you're hiring miners. Now you can actually pay via Ton, also pay via other crypto. Now I'm not going to be paying via Ton because I think I just withdrew some crypto into my wallet, so I'm going to be paying with other crypto. So once you click on pay with other crypto, it gives you a bunch of cryptos you can actually select. You can pay with any crypto of your choice. However, I would like to pay with BNB because that is what I have on my wallet. So I'm going to select BNB. And once you select BNB, it gives you the address you have to pay to and also the amount you have to pay to as well. So now we're going to quickly copy this amount and copy this address. Then we'll head over to Trust Wallet, make the payment, and then we'll come back right here and we'll wait for confirmation. Here on my Trust Wallet, I'm going to click on send right here. Then I'm going to paste in the amount that I copied, and I'm also going to paste in the wallet address. Okay, now I've pasted in the wallet address and also the amount. We're now going to hit this next button, then we confirm the transaction. Now we're going to hit the confirm and add in our passcode, and that is all. So right now I've made the transaction, is currently being processed. Let's head back to our Telegram mini app. We have made the payment. We are going to wait on our Telegram mini app and make sure that this payment is being processed. As you can see right here, it tells me that my miners has been activated. Right here it shows us that we have successfully hired an additional amount of miners. We have hired about 7 new miners. Right here, as you can see, my number of miners has also increased, and also I've also gotten an extra daily return. Now this is just a sample for you guys to show you guys on how you can actually purchase miners, how you can hire miners and start mining for yourself every single day. I've been able to earn just about 12.51 USD for today. I started mining today. I started with about $200 worth of miners, and with about $200 worth of miners, I was able to mine at least 5%, approximately 5% of it, which is this exact amount right here. Right here is my payment history showing me my payment, and within this tutorial we also withdrew. So right now, get into it. If you need to get into this, just head over to Google or head over to your browser and search for markminer.tech. Then hit that start button, which will direct you to Telegram. It will get you into the Mark app, the Telegram mini app. And once you get into it, start calculating tax and also start mining for yourself. As you can see, about 20,000 users are actually using this platform right here. They have withdrawn a lot, and also they have hired a lot of miners. I myself currently own about 248 miners. I'm going to be getting more miners. As you can see right here on my channel, I earned about 420 yesterday on my main account, and right here today on a fresh new account just I created for this tutorial, I did about 12 USDT before you guys, and I withdrew it as well and even bought more miners. So make sure you get into Mark app and start mining today. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.